Lifestyles of the 1920s. Flappers of the 1920s. Fashion. The flapper fashion was usually short skirts, short bobbed hair, a boyish appearance, and a red lip. Rebelling against the idea of women in the previous generations, where women were expected to stay at home and take care of children in the home. It symbolizes women's freedom during suffrage. World War I played a part in women's freedom when men were off at war and women took over the workforce. Teachers, parents, and pastors were scandalized by flappers because of the way they dressed. Flappers smoked and drank in public against the norm of the previous generations. Speakeasies of the 1920s. Prohibition. People sought out speakeasies to get around the government's prohibition on liquor. They often drank alcohol out of teacups, for if police raids were to come into the speakeasy, they could easily be mistaken for any other drink rather than liquor. In 1925, there were over 10,000 speakeasies in the U.S. Speakeasies house many forms of entertainment, including hot bands or singers. Speakeasies were not just for the rich. It housed many men and women of different social standing. It did not require a certain amount of money to enter a speakeasy, because everyone wanted liquor.